welcome to another episode of How to Do Video series from Hello24.ai. Today, we're going to learn one of the most crucial yet very important step in building a chatbot for the WhatsApp conversational marketing, which is we're going to learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot to help your customers track their order. So the objective here is to make a chatbot that would trigger and help your customer to check the order status after a purchase. To make a chatbot, click on workflow. Now at the workflow, click and drag the start box, click edit, and title is nothing but an internal note where you could note what exactly that you're trying to achieve with this chatbot. And I would suggest that you check tick this box so that whenever or whatever message that your customer types in, the chatbot starts initiating message. You could just mention here, hello, thank you for shopping with us. Please click the below menu option to track your order. Now the next option is to click on predefined text and mention track your order, or you can even give order menu and then add option here, mention track your order, and the next step is to just save the note. Now after this, the simple next step is to just click and drag the order status here, connect the two boxes with the exact node, which is track order, and click edit the track status box. Again, title is for your internal information and to note what you're doing there. And the most important note here is based on your customer's phone number, the latest order status will be automatically fetched from your Shopify or WooCommerce website, or whichever platform that you are on, and whichever it is integrated with the Hello24 platform. That's it, and you just need to close and ensure that the chatbot is on and save workflow. That's it. So the next option will be to check if your uh, chatbot is working. So let's go ahead and test the chatbot for understanding about how I can get the order status. I just texted a hi to the chatbot to share some options, right? Track your order. Track order button was placed, and here it is. That's it. It just shows how the order setting is placed. Thank you.